Hey guys, Zach Bartle here from Bowling RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today we're going to take a look at this 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2660 BS. Take a step back right off the bat so you can see this big beautiful awning. And as we get up closer to the camper here, some nice fireside windows, along with two entrances here. This is going to go right to your bathroom, so if you're traveling on the road, you have no issue using that. This fireside window here. And this is going to bring you right to your kitchen. But let's take a look at the rest of the stuff outside here. Both solid steps, both in the front and the back. Manual cranks, or sorry, manual stabilizing jacks, two in the front, two in the back. Got a hose holder right there. You got Goodyear endurance tires, both sides here. That red drum you're seeing behind the tire here is going to be Lippett's new anti-lock braking system. This RV is also prepped for tire pressure monitoring system. That's going to be your furnace there. There's a couple plug-ins outside if you're looking to do a little cooking outside. Cable connection, black water flush there, and spray port. There is a big LED light too right underneath this awning here, along with the stabilizer in the middle. Sorry about all the noise here today, we're in the shop. Here's your exhaust for your stove. Hot water heater. Do you have a lock for the door here? You have a beautiful LED lighted front cap. This also comes with two 20-pound paint tanks, filled and installed upon purchase. Spot for two batteries. Automatic tongue jack. On this back side now, let's kind of get a pan back for it. Two big slides, one in the bedroom, one in the living room there. We'll see that in a little bit when we get inside. Got some storage here along with all your disconnects, your solar charge controller, GFI outlets, shower, and both your battery disconnects along with some cable connections there. There's a hose comes with it for you. Plenty of windows on this back side here. There's the same Goodyear endurance tires along with that anti-lock braking system. Drains down below this slide here. Some more storage in here. That's going to be your 50 amp connection cord, along with your bar for lowering your jacks. As I said before, this is a 50 amp connection here. It's right back here. You have a tow hitch for up to 300 pounds. Ladder up into the top of the camper here. There is one AC, two vents, and two skylights up there along with the solar panel. This is prepped for backup cam as well. And this is going to be an emergency window for you if you have to ever have to get out of the camper. Alright, let's take a look inside quick. First thing we're going to see here, beautiful front kitchen, plenty of counter space, little USB connector right here. There's two of those on there along with the wireless charging on top. Nice big sink, great over the sink as well if you're not using that sink, even more counter space for you. 3-burner stove, LED turn dials, along with a nice little pizza oven there. Gonna be your fan and your light for the stove, along with plenty of storage up above here for any spices or maybe just some snacks you guys want to put up here, along with plenty of pan storage down below. Let's take a look at a couple of these. It's adjustable for pans, silverware, and storage. You got a 12-volt refrigerator here. Furrion, very good name brand. Along with microwave right next to it. Plenty of storage down below here, and more in the drawer. Pan over to some theater seating, lighted cup holders, reclining, along with heating and massaging seats. And that's going to be right across from booth dinette, which also goes down to a bed if you're looking to put a little more sleeping in here. And the TV above with some storage doors right next to it. There's the AC right above us. Also, these new strip lights that Grand Design has been doing. It's very, very nice. I like it. All right, here's the bathroom. Little holder there. Storage down below, along with the plumbing if you ever need access to it. This little sink here. This medicine cabinet, along with your hot water control. Tons of storage for towels or hand towels, whatever you might need. Good toilet paper storage here, maybe some magazines. Nice tall shower here. Skylight right above it there, along with the vent in your bathroom. Alright, let's take a look in the bedroom here. We do have a little bit of charging right here. Right, here's your furnace control and air conditioner. Nice big queen size bed. Windows on both sides, along with those hockey puck lights right above. And storage for two with lock. These cabinets do lock open, which is a nice little feature, so they're not falling down on you. There's that big emergency exit window we saw outside. Look at this. You could use that as a desk if you wanted. You need to do some work? Perfect. Along with two cabinets right next to it. Clothesline, hanging up your shirts, and plenty of his and her storage down below. With a vent in here as well. Again, this unit also is just under 6,600 pounds. With the two slides, I'd say that's not so bad. But again, guys, if you'd like some more information on this, or just want to call and chat, you can get a hold of me at 218-740-4997. Just ask for Zach. Thanks, guys. Bye.